Finished your IPE physics class?
No, sir, no finished class. Today at 3:45 he said, sir, Giri sir.
Not Giri sir's class. I heard that you have some IPE physics class now.
No,
No.
we didn't have anything.
They changed my timing and they said you have IPE physics class till 12:15. No IPE physics class today 12 till 12:15.
No, sir, no class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon बोलना शायद अभी मैं.
Every day we have math class at this time.
Good afternoon, sir.
बोलो जी. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11:30 to 12:15 आपको कुछ IPE क्लास है बोले मेरे को.
We don't know,
Sir,
sir.
सर
हमारा
9
meeting
बजे
नहीं
से
है,
खाली
IPE
बैठे
क्लास
हुए
है.
हैं सर हम लोग।
हाँ.
9 बजे से खाली बैठे
क्लास से कोई क्लास ही नहीं थी सर हम लोग।
yes, sir. कृष्णा मोहन का सर क्लास है कि सुबह के 8 बजे हो गई थी सर, 8 to 9.
मेरे को ये बोले कि आपको 12:15 तक IPE क्लास रहेगा. You take your class at 12:15 बोल के मेरे को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए. मैं इसीलिए I have messaged you saying that class at 12:15 बोल के. I'll find out today and confirm tomorrow for tomorrow's class timings. Then check WhatsApp में.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For JL 41 सुन रहे हो?
College is reopened for them, sir.
हाँ? For JL 41 they started IPE classes from today. And they said they will club IPE classes for you and JL 41.
Sir, IP classes are different classes.
Yeah, different classes. Those who are writing board exams in Andhra and Telangana should attend those classes. Now write these two. Let A bar, B bar be Vectors are non-zero. A bar comma B bar are collinear. Then what happens? Correct? Non-collinear such that alpha A bar, beta B bar, null vector. What does this implies, man? Am I correct? This we discussed in last class. Same thing happens for A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. But you know what happens? A bar is equal to alpha B bar plus beta C bar. Am I correct?
Yes,
One
sir.
has linear combination of the other two. Non-coplanar such that XA bar, YB bar, ZC bar is null vector. But you know what does it implies? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I think this is where we stop. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Complete.
Look at me. I have a vector. This vector I call OP bar. X, Y, Z. If the vector OP makes angles alpha, beta,
Gamma.
wait, beta, gamma, with the positive directions of X, Y, and Z axis. सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Positive directions of X, Y, and Z axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines, are also called directional cosines. Directional cosines. Directional cosines of the vector. What vector one?
OP bar.
They are denoted by फिजिक्स में नहीं पढ़ते
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
पढ़ते
sir.
ना फिजिक्स में
Yes, sir.
where L is called cos alpha, M is called cos beta, N is called cos gamma. I repeat, if alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector OP bar with the positive directions of x, y and z axis. I repeat, alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector OP bar with the positive directions of x, y and z axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines or directional cosines denoted by a letter called LMN. That is, L is equal to cos alpha, M cos beta, N cos gamma. I'm waiting. Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubt.
Right, sir.
Please write the definition.
So this beta must be with the OP bar, no, sir? Beta is between x and y axis here in this diagram. From this diagram, we took beta between x and y axis, no, sir? Actually, it should be. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Famously called or famously written as DCs. Write this. If alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma, I'm dictating man. If alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma are the angles made by the vector OP bar, if alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector OP bar, where OP bar is equals to where OP bar equal to R bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk, comma, shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the positive directions of x comma y comma z axis respectively, with the positive directions of x comma y comma z axis respectively, then cosine of these angles, that is cos alpha, comma cos beta, comma cos gamma. Cosine of these angles, that is cos alpha, comma cos beta, comma cos gamma, are called, what are they called, man? Are called direction cosines or directional cosines, direction cosines or directional cosines in brackets DCs. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Are denoted by, they are denoted by L comma M comma N. That is, it is there on the board. L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Draw this figure. Can I clear this off?
1 minute. Yes, sir. Complete.
Look here. Origin, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, a point P comma x comma y comma z. This is modulus of R bar. बच्चों लोग, what is this modulus of R bar?
Magnitude.
It's a
Root of x square plus y square plus z square.
Under root of x square plus y square plus z square. If I draw a perpendicular, this length will be x. This angle is alpha. Am I correct, man?
yes, sir.
बच्चों लोग, what is cos alpha? L adjacent by hypotenuse. Am I correct, man? बच्चों लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, what would be cos beta? Correct. And what would be cos gamma? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Hence, what will be cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma? Is it one?
Yes, sir.
बच्चों लोग फिजिक्स में पढ़ते ना? X square by
Yes,
this
sir.
square by
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir.
When you add, you will get one. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
That is, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma? This is
Two.
nothing but
2.
sigma sin square alpha. Sigma of what is sin square alpha? Is it 1 minus cos square alpha?
Yes, sir.
Sigma of 1 is 3 minus sigma of cos square alpha. What is sigma of cos square alpha?
1.
1.
This will give you. So what is sigma sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma?
2.
2.
3. What is sigma cos 2 alpha, or what is, sorry, what is cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma? Man? What is cos 2 alpha?
Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha.
Sigma of cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. What is this?
Sigma cos square alpha minus.
बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is sigma cos square alpha? 1.
1.
Sigma sin square alpha 2.
2.
So what's the answer, man?
Minus 1.
Minus.
What are DCs of x-axis? What angle x-axis makes with itself?
0.
0. What angle x-axis,
1.
y-axis?
90.
What angle x-axis makes with z-axis?
90 degrees.
So what will be DCs of x-axis?
Cos 0. Cos
0.
90. Cos 90.
Cos 90.
1, 0, 0.
So what are DCs of x-axis? DCs of x-axis are, bolo ji,
1
1,
and
0 and 0.
1, 0, 0. Similarly, बच्चों लोग, what are DCs of y-axis?
0, 1,
0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0.
And DCs of z-axis?
0, 0, 1.
Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
No. If L, M, N are DCs of vector OP bar, then LMN का max L plus M plus N का max and finally LM plus MN plus NL का max. बच्चे लोग, they are all assuming that they are all positive for maxima minima. What it will do? Since L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, बच्चे लोग याद है, A greater than 0, B greater than 0, X greater than 0, Y greater than 0, X plus Y is equals to 10. What's the maximum value of product? Numbers must be equal. X is equal to Y, 2X is equals to 10, X 5, Y 5. Maximum value of the product was 25. Apply same logic. What you should do? बोलो मैम. Put L is equal to M is equal to N. क्या देगा?
3L square.
3L square is equal to 1. क्या देगा? L is equal to
plus or minus under root of 1 by 3.
मैक्सिमम देख रहे हैं हम, अज्यूम कर रहे हैं पॉजिटिव, तो
Yes,
क्या
sir.
माइनस सही को आएगा, हमको पॉजिटिव मैक्सिमम वैल्यू चाहिए, माने पॉजिटिव वैल्यू.
Yes.
सो L is equal to M is equal to N equal to क्या हुआ?
Under root of, sorry, 1 by under root of 3.
Jasim, please wait. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. Answer for the first one, man.
1 by 3
Answer
root
for the first one,
1
man.
by
No
3
Jasim.
root 3.
Bolo.
1 by 3 root 3.
Is it 1 by 3 root 3?
Yes, sir.
What about L plus M plus N? 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. 3 by root 3. Root 3 goes to the numerator. Correct? Third one. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. 1 by 3.
1 by
1 by
3.
3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Answer.
1.
1.
Chalo, copy this. Don't take much of a time. First.
So isn't directional cosines of z axis is 0, 0, 1?
If you are done, I'll move ahead.
Completed, sir.
अदनान हो गया? अदनान नहीं है क्लास में?
Sir, today's class till how much time, sir? Today's class?
I did not follow. Can
What
you
time
read
your
out?
class will be, sir?
Yes, sir. Till what time the class will be?
1:45.
Okay, sir.
12:15 to 1:45. I'll let you know timings for tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Because if there is no IPE class for you, then why do wait till 12:15, man?
Sir, but we have prayers after 1:30.
When is your chemistry class?
8 to 9.
8 to 9.
Then I can take class at 11 o'clock only, no?
Yes, sir.
So not 200.
Sir, that is daily or not, we don't know.
Daily, sir, for jail 41 also.
What I heard was 10:45 to 11, 10:45 to 11:30 and 11:30 to 12:15. You have two IPE classes.
Maybe they are going to arrange, sir.
Arrange from tomorrow. I think आज कुछ timetable problem हुआ सर था. We'll wait for a day or two, man. कल भी I'll take class at 12:15. If there is no class for you after, because since chemistry class is over early, then I'll take 11 o'clock only from day after. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, sir,
Bolo, bolo.
in the fourth point, the
These
directional question.
IPE, wait. These IPE classes are attended by JL 41 students offline.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All IPE classes for JL 41 students are attended offline. They are coming to college every day. They are sitting in the college and attending the classes. So offline for them and online for you. That's what their plan is. What I understood. That's what I understood. बोलो मैंने कुछ बोल रहे थे अबरार.
Sir, in that fourth point it's there, na, sir. Basis of z axis.
क्या बोले?
Basis of z axis, sir. Directional cosine of z axis.
हाँ.
It will be 0,0,1, na, sir.
जान दो जी. Shall I?
Yes.
Look here. One more definition. आज पूरा definitions day है. Consider a set of n vectors. A1 bar, A2 bar. Am I correct?
Yes.
Assume that non-zero. A set of n scalars. Assume non-zero. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. Now what you say is, look at, bolo, alpha 1 A1 bar, alpha 2 A2 bar, alpha 3 A3 bar, so on till alpha n an bar is equal to 1. बच्चे लोग सुन रहे हो? So
Yes.
far,
Yes, sir.
n scalars, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. N vectors, A1 bar, A2 bar, An bar. Look at their combination. If पूरे scalars are zeros, that is A1 0, A2 0, A3 0, so on till An 0, then the set is said to be linearly independent. If all the scalars are zeros, that is each of alpha I, that is I lie between, is zero, then set of vectors A1 bar so on till An bar is said to be linearly independent. I think I should write the abbreviation. linearly independent. समझ गए? If all the scalars are zeros, linearly independent. If there stands up one scalar, which says, look, I'm not zero. Look, I'm not zero. Then the set is said to be linearly dependent. If there exists at least one non-zero scalar, that is at least one alpha I not equal to zero. I lies between 0 and m. Then the set A1 bar, A2 bar, AN bar is said to be linearly dependent. LD stands for linearly dependent. हम लोग एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ लिए ऑलरेडी. Look here. A bar, B bar, set of collinear vectors. LD or LI. I'm waiting. LD or LI, linearly dependent or linearly independent? बोले man, waiting for an answer. Jasim,
Linear.
Independent, sir.
LD or LI? Shoaib,
Sir.
Asruddin, बोले जी.
Linearly independent, sir.
Who is this?
Zero
Dependent or independent?
independent.
Independent.
Dependent man. What do you mean by set of collinear vectors? By hypothesis.
Yes.
Bolo.
A bar is equal to alpha B bar.
Oh, 1 into A bar plus minus alpha into B bar, null vector. How many scalars you have? What are they? 1
minus alpha.
and minus alpha. Worst case, horrible case, buffalo case, worst case. What happens? Alpha 0. Can you find out at least one non-zero scalar? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is a non-zero scalar? 1.
One.
They are both linearly dependent or linearly independent?
Linearly dependent.
And then
Independent. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Second, A bar, B bar, set of non-collinear vectors. LD or LI.
LI, sir.
Why? Because both the scalars are
Sir,
0.
Yes, sir.
By
Yes.
हमने first, I think we started the class by this point. By hypothesis, XA bar plus YB bar is equal to 0 vector. What does it implies? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Are all the scalar, are both the scalar coefficients zeros? Yes. both x0, y0. Only two scalars are there and both are zeros. Therefore, the set linearly independent. Similarly, LD or LI. Waiting.
Sir, LD.
LD or LI. Why LD? Jasim.
LD. Sir, because A bar is equal to, we can write as alpha B bar plus beta C bar. Like that we can write.
By
And
I can write A bar as XB bar plus YC bar. बच्चे लोग am I
yes,
correct?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग am I correct? Waiting for your
Yes,
approval,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
XA bar plus YB bar. Sorry, फिर से बोले करो. XB bar plus YC bar. बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I can write this as 1 into A bar plus minus X into B bar plus minus Y into C bar null vector. Worst case, horrible case, worst case, horrible case, worst case, horrible case. X0, Y0. Is there any non-zero scalar?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Which is that non-zero scalar? Coefficient of A bar, which says, look, I'm not zero. Therefore, what is this here?
LD.
And finally, A bar, B bar, C bar, non-coplanar. This you know, LD or LI? LI,
LD, sir.
not LD. Come on, copy this. Copy this.
Sir,
सुन रहा हूँ बोलो.
sir, one doubt, sir.
हाँ.
What does third line mean, sir? Initially, sir. Third. No, sir. Initially.
Look at alpha 1 A1 bar, alpha 2 A2 bar.
Sir, is this condition?
If at all this happens, then what are the cases?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Instead of Fasman.
So completed, sir.
Non-Jasim's finished.
Done, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing off. Now, इस पूरा discussion में, if you remember, for collinear, what was the condition being imposed? A bar, B bar, C bar, collinear. Sorry. A bar, B bar, C bar, coplanar. What's the condition? What was the condition we got? Or A, B, C, D are coplanar points. बच्चे लोग remember? बच्चे लोग remember? Here I said box ABC 0. Here I said box of AB, AC, AD 0. And coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors are linearly dependent. Am I correct? Hence, for linear dependence, that equal to 0. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Look here. Hello. What do you call points? Correct? Eh? I'm waiting, man.
Yes.
No. What is vector AB bar? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. What is position vector of B minus position vector of A? बोलो मैम. 4i
minus 5j.
minus 5j plus
Plus 5.
5j. Similarly, find out AC bar, AD bar. Come on, publish. What is vector AC bar man? बोलो जी.
I
Position
minus
vector of C,
I minus 9j
position vector of A. How do you like it?
I minus 9j plus 4k.
Don't waste energy by writing IJK. IJK in vectors is nothing but 3D geometry. Write ordered pair, that will be easy. Follow. 1 minus 6 minus 3. Correct?
4.
Am I correct one? Vector AD. Position vector of D minus position vector of A. What is it?
minus 1 minus 2
Minus
minus
1
alpha square plus 6.
minus 2 minus lambda square plus 6 or 6 minus lambda square. Am I correct? I am clearing the above part. That is 0. Kiska
Yes,
that
sir.
0? Determinant of these vectors is 0. Bolo man. What is determinant of these vectors?
0.
Determinant of 4 minus 5 9 1 minus 9 4. Am I correct? Minus 1 minus 2 6 minus lambda square is equal to 0. Come on, evaluate the determinant. ये दोनों ऐड करके एक जीरो बना सकते हैं. 4 minus 5 9 1 minus 9 4. बोलो जी. 0 minus 11 10 minus lambda square is equal to 0. अब इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Expand 4 into minus 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Minus 90 plus 9 lambda square minus 44 becomes plus 44. Am I correct? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 5 into this. What will I get, man? Minus 50 plus 5 lambda square minus 99 becomes plus 99. Now don't expect me to solve beyond this. Give me lambda square value. जल्दी वन. बच्चों लोग आंसर मैन वेटिंग. कितनी देर? Is it 31 lambda square? बोलो मैन. कांस्टेंट बोलो. आंसर वन। बच्चों लोग आई एम वेटिंग।
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
शोएब आंसर। अजरुद्दीन आंसर।
Sir, under root of 233 by 31.
Is it 233?
Yes, sir. 31 lambda square is equal to 230.
So lambda square is equal to 233 by 31. Cholo. Can I clear first line?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Waiting man.
Sir,
A, B, C are collinear means what? Means what man?
Two lines.
A, B bar is equal to lambda times AC bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is AB bar? Position vector of B minus lambda times position vector of C minus. Am I correct? What is position vector of B minus position vector of A? 2, 4 minus x, 7 minus 3, 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Lambda times position vector of C minus position vector of A. Y minus 1, बोलो जी, minus 2 minus x, minus 5 plus minus 3. Is it minus 8? 2, 4 minus x, 4. Lambda into y minus 1, lambda into. Am I correct? Correspondings are equal. These two equal. Coefficients of like vectors. What is this called? Equating. Coefficients of what, man? Like vectors. We obtain. Come on. Complete the problem now. कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ?
Hello, sir.
I'm listening. Tell me.
Can we go for prayer, sir?
Huh?
Can we go for prayer?
I was told that you can go after 145, man. Is it not the case?
So some people don't have it at the time near their house.
Can't you go after 145? Because I do not know. I was asked to take class till 12:15 to 1:45, Lelo sir. When I asked Aziz sir regarding prayer timings, he said, no problem, sir. They can go at 1:45 karke, he told. That's what I am asking.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Come on. If you want me to complete syllabus by March 31st, थोड़ा adjust कर लो, if possible. I thought it will be extended to April also, which I don't want. I want you to prepare for board exam at least 1 month, or else it will be difficult for you. Come on, answer.
Sir, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1.
I think minus 8 lambda is equal to 4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So lambda value is what, man? What? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Equate these two. 2 is equal to lambda into y minus 1. Lambda is minus half. Cross multiply. 4 is equal to minus y plus 1. Am I correct, man? What is y value?
-3.
Is it minus 3?
Sir,
Next.
equal to 2, sir.
4 is equal to 4 minus x equal to lambda into minus 2 minus x. Lambda is minus half. What's the log? Am I correct? What will I get, man?
Yes.
8 minus 2x is equal to plus 2 plus x. Am I correct? Px is equal to 6. Is x 3?
Yes, sir.
are sides of a parallelogram. When he says sides, he meant to say adjacent sides. Then
One doubt, sir. Sir, x equal to 2 no, sir. The,
don't worry about trivial things, man. Solve problems.
yes.
Physics में भी करते हैं. Already I also told you, if A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram, what are its diagonals, man?
A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar.
Diagonals are A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. What's a vector parallel, unit vector parallel to diagonals? Unit vector parallel to diagonals can be, what is this?
A bar plus B bar by modulus of A bar plus B bar.
Is it lambda times or not lambda? Am I correct now? No. I think it should be plus or minus here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus. Come on, give me the answer. Plus or minus. What is the sum? Boloman. Don't write ijk plus ijk. Don't waste energy. Remember, whenever it is written ijk, you are into what? 3D geometry. Whenever ijk is written, knowingly or unknowingly, you are going into 3D geometry. That's why. What is this? What is the topic we are doing called vectors and 3D? Some problems you speak in language called vectors, but what you do exactly there? 3D geometry. Come on. What is the plus? Is it 3, 4, 4? Tell me, man. 3, 4, 4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
By what is its modulus? Comma minus. Subtract them. What will I get? -2. What you am I correct?
Yes, sir.
By under root of what's the answer? First one. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 9. Bolo, ma'am. I think there is some mistake somewhere, man. Or is it correct? Hello, there is an error, man. That is with 1 plus 3, 4. One minus 3 minus 2. Second one I did correct. So this will be 4 root 3. 4 will cancel off. 1, 1, 1 by root 3. Plus or minus root 8 is 2 root 2. 2 will cancel off. Minus 1, 0, 1 by root. What are the diagonal lengths? Lengths of diagonals are modulus of a bar plus b bar and modulus of a bar minus b bar. First one is 4 root 3. Come on.
So one doubt, sir.
Follow.
So in terms of IJK, no, sir. Correct, no,
All
sir.
is in terms of
Unit vector.
IJK. My answer is plus or minus 1 by root 3. Means what is the answer here? Plus or minus 1 by root 3 into I plus j plus k. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want, I'll
Correct,
write
sir.
that answer also. Options may exam
Yes.
may he will not give this way. Plus or minus 1 by root 3 into I plus j plus k, comma, plus or minus 1 by root 2 into minus I plus k. That's what he gives in the exam. But we wrote this in this
Yes.
form. Once, whenever you speak the language called IJK, vectors and 3D geometry become same. Vectors and 3D geometry becomes the same whenever we use the language called IJK.
So can we go, sir?
They can leave. Can I switch off?
Yes, sir.
Okay then, thank you.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Hello. Abrar, are you there?
Did you call me, sir?
Abrar,
Yes, sir.
will 145 be not suitable, man?
So actually, it is suitable for some and not suitable for some, sir, because the Jamaat timing is different in some areas. It is mostly common at 1:30, sir. It will be in most of the areas.
But when I asked Aziz sir regarding this man, he said, no sir, they can go, all of them can go at 145, that will not be a problem. करके बोले हम. You talk to Aziz sir regarding timings.
Yes, sir.
Or you call him and tell him that sir, we are having so and so problem. Why don't you adjust our timetable? बोल के पूछो उनको. He will do the adjustment. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Sir.